finished Basics 1. We're going to click into Basics 2. So we've got layin. So the ending a-n-n, there's just an ending. Okay, so lay is what we're looking at there, and that means read. Layin she. So it's to do with she, if you remember. She is she in English, the same. So layin she reads. Layin she. Better turn on the sound again.
Léimid an nuachtáin.
Léimid an nuachtáin. So again, lay. And then when you see imid at the end, that means we. Imid. That's a different ending. Imid means we. Léimid, we read. And then nuachtáin, let's see what a nuachtáin is. A newspaper. Léimid an nuachtáin. An is the. Léimid, we read on the newspaper. Nuachtáin. Léimid an nuachtáin.
Léan sé agus léimid.
Okay, that's quite a long one. So layin sé. Remember again, it's to do with reading. Layin sé. Sé is he. So layin sé, he reads. Agus, which means and. Léimid. Can we remember what that one is? We read. Layin sé, agus léimid. He reads and we read.
Léim an nuachtáin.
And there's the Laim. So that's its own ending as well. Laim. That means I read. Laim an nuachtáin. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. Laim an nuachtáin.
Ólan namrá.
Ólan. Remember that means to drink from the last lesson. Ólan. So not layin, but ólan. Ólan is to drink. Na mná. Let's see what this means. This is a new word. Oh, women. And na, if you see the na there, it's switched from on. On is one thing, and na is 2, 3, or 100 things. Na. And it means the as well, but it means from plural. Ólan na mná. The women. Ólan, the women drink. The women drink. Ólan na mná. Women. So that you might remember that from the last one. Mná. Mná. That's women. Tá is, and she is the same. She. So mná is women. Layin na fear. Here's another word here. Oh, layin again. Layin means read. Read, layin. And it's who's reading now? Na fear. Na means the, but it means more than one the. Fear. Men this time. Fear. Layin na fear. The men read. The men read. Layin na fear. Okay, so last time we had an Colleen, which would be the girl. Now we have na Colleen e. There's an I father at the end there, an I with a little father. Colleen e, girls. So more than one girl. Na Colleen e, agus, which means and. Na buachali. I think we might know what buachali is. It means boys. So the girls and the boys. Na Colleen e, the girls. Agus. Na buachali, the boys. Now we have boys. What are we looking for? We might remember. Buachali. Buachali. Very good. I read the newspaper. I read. That will have the special ending with the in it. So it's not going to be this one. Hasn't got the And a newspaper, that was in a couple of lessons ago. So Leim on Nuachtan. A Nuachtan is a paper, a newspaper. Leim on Nuachtan. The girls drink water. The girls. So it's drink. So it's not going to be lay. It's going to be ol. Olin. Olin, because it's drink. The action comes first. The girls. Olin. Who's doing the drinking? Na Kalini. Olin na Kalini. And what are they drinking? They're drinking water. They're drinking ishke. Olin na Kalini ishke. Oh, this is very long, isn't it? The men read. So the action is read. So can we find read? Layin. There we go. That's to read. The men. Can you remember that one now? It's going to be the men. So it's more than one. It's got to be na. Layin na. Fear. Layin na fear. Far is one man. And layin is, and fear is 2, 3, or 4, or 100 if you wanted to. Layin na fear. What do they read? The newspaper. The on newspaper. Nuachtan. Layin na fear on Nuachtan. Now we're going to move on to the second bit. So, and August. The women eat an apple. So what's the action there? What are they doing? They're eating. So define what's eating. Oh, ihin. That's eating. Ihin. The women. The women are eating. Ihin na mna. And they're eating an apple. Ooh, because there's no word for an in Irish. Ooh. Layin na fear an Nuachtan. Agus ihin na mna. Ooh. The men read the newspaper and the women eat